Course. What do you need?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
How was your day?
It was good, thank.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What time is it?
It's 7 a.m.
How are you feeling?
I'm doing great, thanks.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrated on June 10th.
Do you live in your own house?
No, I'm renting a 3-bedroom apartment.
How much is the rent?
The rent is $5,500 a month.
What is your weight?
I weigh 159 pounds.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
How tall are you?
I am 6'2".
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What is the name of your way?
She is called Anna O'Brien.
How many children do you have?
We have 2 children and both of the girls.
How old are they?
Our first daughter is 13 years old, and the second daughter is 10 years old.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cheeseburger.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. I used to cook quite often.
What did you like cooking?
I like cooking chicken salad, shrimp, quesadilla, and hamburgers.
How did you learn to cook?
I learned it with my mother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you like watching documentaries?
Yes, I like documentaries a lot.
What types of documentaries do you watch?
I like watching animal geography and science documentaries.
Which animal do you like the most?
The animal I like the most is the tiger.
What is your favorite pet?
Dogs are my favorite pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. It's actually a dog.
What is the name?
My dog's name is Max.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Not much, brother, whenever I can. I play some of them.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you go to work every morning?
I go to work at 8:30 every morning.
Who do you love most in your family?
I equally love everyone in my family.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.